Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular smartwatches from Huafit, the Huafit Watch S6 and the latest, the Huafit Watch Metro 2. And on this video, we are going to compare the two wearables. We will compare the design, the specs, as well as the offered features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Watch S6 and the Watch Metro 2, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. Let's go first with the packaging. As you can see here, the Huafit Watch S6 do have a much wider box or package compared to our Huafit Watch Metro 2. But both do have some details on the packaging. But more specs and features here for our Huafit Watch S6. So both are sports health data monitoring smartwatch. So we have some features here for the Watch S6. While for our Huafit Metro 2, we also have it here, specs and features. So simple packaging, but I like the Huafit Watch S6. It has this sturdy, durable box, which gives the wearable full protection. So it looks more elegant compared to our Huafit Watch Metro 2, which is somewhat like a regular packaging here. We have some details on the side, and at the back we do have some specs here, but more information is available here for the Watch S6 compared to our Watch Metro 2. Okay, then next, let's check out the smartwatch. So this is the Huafit Watch S6 and the Huafit Watch Metro 2. So before we proceed, let's check first the dimension. So for the Watch S6, we have 37.32 including the strap. For the Metro 2, we have 35.41. Okay, again, due to the wider body, it is a bit heavy compared to our Watch Metro 2, which is 35 only, 35 grams. For the dimension, so for the width here, so it is around 37.7, while for the Metro 2 it is 37.6, almost the same. For the length, 45.8, while the other one we have, let's see, 46.9, so longer body frame. For the thickness, we have 11.3. For our Metro 2, it is around 11.3, also the same thickness. When it comes to the design, so let's go with the design. By the way, if you are asking for the charging cable, they have the same charging cable. So the contents, user manual, and charging cable, and of course the smartwatch. So for the design, we do have a power on or circular power on and home button. It's not rotary. For our Watch S6, we have a rectangular power on and home button, so which has a much better design. On the side, at the back, pogo pin. Both do have the pogo pin magnetic charging. The same style. USB Type A. You can see here. So the same. And this one, yes, the same. For the strap, both do have a quick release pin. Flexible silicone strap, but I like the strap here of our Watch S6. I like the classic compared to the sporty strap, which is very hard to wear or attach. For the width here, so 20.0 millimeter. For our Metro 2, it is 0.22 millimeter. 0.20, 0.22. So different size of strap. Okay, so we're done with the dimension as well as the design of both smartwatches. Next, let's proceed to the UI. Or before the UI, let's go first with the specifications. For the Huafit Watch S6, we have a 1.83-inch TFT LCD. For the Huafit Watch Metro 2, we have a 1.83-inch TFT, the same. They also have the same pixel resolution. Let's change this one first. We can see the edge. Okay. Again, let's pick a lighter. Oh, that's the only one. Come back. Again, 1.83-inch for the screen display. The same with our Huafit Metro 2. The same pixel resolution, 240 by 284 pixel resolution. You can check it here. For the connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, Bluetooth 5.3 for our Watch S6. IP68, waterproof rated, IP67. Both do have a 7 days of battery life. They almost have the same specifications except for the connectivity. So much faster for our Huafit Watch S6. So we're done with the specifications. You can check the full specs here, including the support app. For the UI, on top we have the settings and options. The same with our Watch S6. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the other side, we have the split screen. So the same or the same style. Widgets or components. You can add your own. The same here. Okay, so the same format, same style. To access the main menu, just press the power button or the home button. So we have the sports. We also have here the health monitoring functions such as heart rate. We also have a sleep monitoring, sports record, call menu. We also have the weather report, Bluetooth call support. So just different sequence of menus but just the same. Music control. We have utilities, contacts, stopwatch. We also have it here, alarm, calculator, calendar, stopwatch. We have a flashlight here. We have a torch. We have a game. We don't have a game here. So brightness. We have the settings. Let's see. Which has a much better UI. I think I like the UI here of our Metro 2. Let's see. Brightness display, app download. Do we have a menu options here? I don't see any menu options. Going back, let's see here. I don't see any menu options for our Watch S6. Oh, we have it here. Okay, so different style. Then for our Metro 2, we have it here on the display. We only have three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 menu options or style for the Huafit Watch S6. We only have 3 here for our Metro 2. Going back, let's check out the sports functions. So sports functions, walking, cycling, do we have which has a better options, or which has a comprehensive list of sports? We have a swimming here. Do we have a swimming? No, we don't have. Although it is IP68, we don't have the swimming option. And we only have a limited sports functions compared to our Huafit Watch S6, which has a lot of sports functions. Okay, you can add, you can remove. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of our Huafit Watch S6 versus the Huafit Watch Metro 2. Okay, which do you think is much better? Drop a comment below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.